Hello, welcome to how to prove that the sum of this infinite series is equal to 3. Let's start with the right hand side of the equation. At the right hand side we have 3, and because in the series we have a square root, so we write this 3 as square root of 9. And because here we have 1 plus something, so we write this 9 as square root of 1 plus 8. And next to this plus we have 2. So we write this 8 as 2 times 4 is equal to square root of 1 plus, we write this 8 as 2 times 4. And because next we have another square root, so we change this 4 into square root of 16 is equal to square root of 1 plus 2 times, we change this 4 into square root of 16. And because here we have 1 plus something, so we change this 16 into 1 plus 15 is equal to square root of 1 plus 2 times square root of, we change this 16 into 1 plus 15. Now because in the series we have 3 times something, so we replace this 15 into 3 times 5 is equal to square root of 1 plus 2 times square root of 1 plus, we replace this 15 with 3 times 5. Now because next in the series we have an other square root, so we replace this 5 into square root of 25 is equal to square root of 1 plus 2 times square root of 1 plus 3, we replace this 5 with square root of 25. Now because in the series we have 1 plus something, so we write this 25 as 1 plus 24 square root of 1 plus 2 times square root of 1 plus 3 times square root of, we replace this 25 with 1 plus 24. Now next, because in the series we have 4 times something, so we replace this 24 into 4 times 6 is equal to square root of 1 plus 2 times square root of 1 plus 3 times square root of 1 plus, we replace this 24 with 4 times 6. Now next in the series, because we have a square root, so we replace this 6 with the square root of 36 is equal to square root of 1 plus 2 times square root of 1 plus 3 times square root of 1 plus 4 times. We replace this 6 with the square root of 36. Square root of 36. Now we notice that here we have 1 plus 2, here we have 1 plus 3, here we have 1 plus 4. The next number is 1 plus 5. So we replace this 36 with 1 plus 35 is equal to square root of 1 plus 2 times square root of 1 plus 3 times square root of 1 plus 4 times square root of. We replace this 36 with 1 plus 35, and because the number next to this 4 is 5, so we convert this 35 into 5 times 7 is equal to square root of 1 plus 2 times square root of 1 plus 3 times square root of 1 plus 4 times square root of 1 plus. We replace this 35 with this 5 times 7. 5 times 7, and because this 7 is equal to square root of 49, so we replace this 7 with the square root of 49, and if we continue this process up to infinity, it will give 3. So it is proved that the sum of this series is equal to 3.